Hi everyone, I am Meredith Abbott and welcome to Sur La Table. Today I am showing you how to make the best breakfast sandwich. A breakfast grilled cheese with scrambled eggs and caramelized onions. To make this grilled cheese sandwich, you need a variety of cheeses to start with. I have Comté, which is also the cheese that's used for raclette, so it's really melty. We have pepper jack, American, Monterey jack, Parmigiano Reggiano, eggs for scrambled eggs, caramelized onions, thick sliced sourdough bread, and unsalted butter. To start off, I'm going to show you how to make perfectly soft scrambled eggs. To the cracked eggs, I'm going to add about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt, just a pinch. Whisk until completely mixed. There's no streaks of yolk, no streaks of white. It is one happy mixture. A little frothy is fine. They're gonna rest as I heat up my pan. Have it set over about medium heat, and you're going to add a tablespoon of butter for all 4 eggs. So once your butter has melted and the foaming is starting to calm down, add your scrambled eggs. You're just gonna start stirring gently. This will allow the eggs to curdle, to come together, to cook, but also I like a medium curd to them. So the more you stir, the smaller the curds will be, and see how quickly that came together? Seconds. So I'm gonna turn off the heat now at this point. They cooked a little faster than I thought they were going to, but that's okay. There you go, perfectly scrambled eggs. Okay, now that we've scrambled our eggs, caramelized our onions, we are ready to assemble our sandwich. Start with softened butter. Doesn't have to be quite an even layer. This is all going to melt in the pan, but you do want most of the surface to be covered. Flip it over and start with our cheeses. Kind of have one slice of a few different kinds of cheese. Monterey Jack, super melty, really stretchy. The Comté, which is really melty and chewy. And then I love American cheese. I think it's delicious for grilled cheese sandwiches. And just a little sprinkling of the Parmigiano Reggiano for, again, that extra bite. Now to one side of the bread, I'm gonna start building everything on here. I'm gonna add some caramelized onions on top. As many or as few as you'd like. It just makes the sandwich feel super luxurious. And then your scrambled eggs, kind of divide it up like so. Top your sandwich, like so. Looks really big and tall right now. It's going to compact a little bit when we get it into the skillet. So preheat your nonstick skillet. This is the same skillet I cooked my scrambled eggs in. I just gave it a wipe. Medium heat or so, let it preheat. You do not need to oil or butter your pan. There is enough on your sandwich. And now you just carefully lift your sandwich into the pan. We are just browning the outside of the sandwich and then melting the cheese. Okay, so both sides are nice and toasty. The cheese is melted. I can see it draping over the side. Oh, this makes me so excited. Ooh, good crunch. Some yummy melty goodness. And this is your breakfast grilled cheese. Enjoy. For recipe videos, cooking classes, and more, visit surlatable.com.